Hi friends. So last time we saw a patient, a female patient with knee replacement. And what we saw, how it transformed her life. But now, let's listen to this gentleman. He has been throughout very active. We did try for his knee pains a conservative treatment for a period of 2 to 3 years. But gradually, he started slowing down, which he was not ready for. So, I spoke to him, gave him different options. It was easy to counsel him because already we had about 5 patients in his family whose replacement our team had done. But then he took his time, came back to us, I'm ready. Let's listen to him. Shri Satnam Ji will tell you how his life has been transformed. More importantly, you'll listen to his son who will describe the feeling. Do watch their eyes. Thank you.
आज मेरा नाम सतनाम सिंह है, उम्र 71। मैं 3-4 साल से घुटनों के दर्द से परेशान था। जब मैंने उनसे डॉक्टर साहब से ट्रीटमेंट लिया, फिर ऑपरेशन कराया, अब मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ।
Hi, this is my father Satnam Bedi. He's age 71. We were having issues with his knees. He was struggling while climbing stairs, while sitting. He also had problems while going to the washroom. Had issues climbing the stairs because the inside our house. So we decided to meet Dr. Apurv. After meeting him, after going through the discussions, we decided to go ahead and have his knee surgery. So we've got both his knees done, and now he's perfectly fine. It's been almost a year. He's able to move around easily. There is no problem. He goes to the washroom. He's climbing stairs, going to his work, goes for his walks and all. So I think we're back to normal, like he was in his 40s or early 50s. So experience overall has been really great. Things are moving fine. Post operation also we've not have any issues. I've met the doc once and all, and but things are absolutely fine. His medicines have stopped after a year. You see he's able to move his legs absolutely fine. There's no problem. Go straight. So things have been great, and we really thank doctor for all his help and his team. Thanks.